In 1946, Richard Armstrong Sr. started the company here in Westchester, and it was based on tailoring his units to the process industry. At that time, the competition was making standard products, and Mr. Armstrong found his niche by customizing. We carry on that legacy today by maintaining a policy that we customize to our customers' needs.
Armstrong has been doing business in this industry for over 70 years. We pride ourselves on being able to make equipment that lasts, on meeting the needs for our customers, because we know that uptime is important. Once we understand what the customer needs, we move on to designing and fully creating a model of their equipment. After the approved drawings are finalized, they move on to our manufacturing shop, where we have top talent in order to customize every product that goes out the door.
The Armstrong campus has both engineering and manufacturing working hand in hand, and it's really where the rubber hits the road here at Armstrong. We have a lot of longtime employees who are highly skilled in what they do. We have all kinds of welding operations, and we have all kinds of machining capabilities as well.
Our facility here can produce equipment from small to very large, upwards of 11 feet in diameter. So at Armstrong, we can do equipment that is 4 or 5 inches in size, and we can go all the way up to vessels that are almost 11 feet in size and that are the length of a truck. Oftentimes, these are very complex projects that we're working on. Our quality control team inspect the equipment as we go through the fabrication process to make sure that the equipment are matching up to the drawing precisely, and also that the welds that are being done are meeting all the QC requirements on the project.
At Armstrong, we're very proud of the fact that our legacy customers can come to us with their electrification needs, and we are able to help them make that transition with the knowledge that we have. We understand their process. We also understand electric heat, so we can help our customers make process heating safer, cleaner, and more controllable. Every person who works here gets to see the impact of what they do and how that affects the pieces of equipment that come out of our shop. We are an employee-owned company, very proudly employee-owned, and it's really great to see the power of people coming together, setting the vision for where we'll go in the future.
We've been here for 77 years now, and I'm proud to be a part of that. I'm proud to carry this into the future and work with our team here and grow the business and continue to thrive in the process industry. Whether you're looking for a custom product or electrifying your legacy products, we look forward to doing business with you.